New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo says New York City is on track to enter the next phase of its reopening plan next week, which includes reopening businesses like office-based jobs, real estate services, retail, barbershops, and hair salons in 5 upstate regions.
The 5 regions that have been in phase 1 can now move to phase 2 because their data has been reviewed, and the experts say to us it's safe to move forward because people have been smart and you haven't seen the spike.
The U.S. has over 1.8 million confirmed cases of the coronavirus, with New York City being the epicenter of the virus. The World Health Organization released guidance for doctors to avoid using antibiotic therapy or prophylaxis in patients with mild cases of COVID-19 unless there is a clear reason to do so. When antibiotics are overused or used unnecessarily, it can lead to an antimicrobial resistance. W.H.O recently released new global stats showing that the resistance for bacterial infections to antibiotics is increasing globally. Hong Kong has extended its ban on social gatherings of over 8 people after finding some local transmission of COVID-19 cases. People in Hong Kong are still allowed to have gatherings of 8 people or less, but now the ban has been extended until June 18th. Health officials in Hong Kong say they don't want to let their guard down just yet, and the government will continue to carefully watch the situation. Japan's professional baseball players across the country are back on the field practicing for an upcoming match. Safety precautions are being taken, although it appears most players are not wearing masks. While their competitive match has been okay to take place in a few weeks, the public won't be allowed to go and watch. This is because Japan wants to avoid large social gatherings and prevent further spread of COVID-19. South Koreans will soon need to start showing QR codes on their phones for contact tracing before entering nightclubs, karaoke bars, and other entertainment facilities. The QR codes are South Korea's latest effort in trying to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Customer can install the QR code app and put their personal information on their own smartphone, so it's safe from being leaked and helps prevent coronavirus infection. I very much welcome the adoption of this system across the country.
The QR code policy will take effect at entertainment facilities on June 10th. A Romanian shoemaker has designed long-nosed leather shoes to help people with social distancing. The shoes are a European size 75, and designer Gregor Lup says if 2 people wear these shoes and face each other, then there would be about 1.5 meters of distance between them. It takes Lup about 2 days to make a pair of these long-nosed shoes, which cost about $115 US. So far, Lup has received about 5 orders of these social distancing shoes. Thanks for watching Global News. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.